Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Jeecoo A10 wired and wireless speaker. So it can be used wired or also wireless with Bluetooth. So here we have the specs on the side. The maximum output is 10 watts. By the way, this is super cheap, listed currently on Amazon for only around $17. So let's open the box, see what we get. Some instructions already on the packaging, really nice. This can be super helpful, so you don't have to look it up in the instructions. And here we have this speaker, but of course we also have the full instructions here. I hope it's focusing nicely so you can read everything. Also some additional information in the back. By the way, Jeecoo, a really good brand. I've already bought some headphones and they have been working really good, so I'm very hopeful. Speaker comes nicely protected, and I would say it has a very solid build, also a decent weight. Sometimes you can judge the quality of speakers just regarding weight, and this is definitely not a lightweight thing. Here we have the model type again, and what's really awesome here is this stand. So it's not sitting flat on a desk or straight up, but the foot is somewhere right in the middle. I think that's very convenient. By the way, we have a soft rubber foot down here, so it has a very safe stand, and also good that the cable is pretty long. And so we have two plugs here, this one 3.5mm audio cable, and here we have the USB power cable. And so I have here my laptop, and you can hear probably that the sound is very weak. I mean, it's a nice laptop, but the speaker is definitely not doing a very good job. So now we have this speaker here, and I hope you can see we have this 3.5mm jack here. We plug it in, but this is not enough. Of course, we need the power on top, so we plug in also the USB plug here, and it connects automatically, and you can hear the difference. That's quite a difference. I mean, it's not a very deep bass audio, of course. The speaker diameter is just 2.5 inches, but still a huge difference to hear. Much better quality, much louder, and I would say the sound is pretty clear. Even when we put it in the highest setting, you can hear that. Still very good, nice, clear. But of course you also want to test the Bluetooth, so we unplug it. And so it worked definitely good for the computer, but how will it work on my phone? So here I have my Android phone, but doesn't matter which operating system it is. We just need to go to the settings. Then we go to Bluetooth, but of course we also need power on the speaker. We can use any kind of USB outlet which provides at least 1 amps. So we can use, for example, this power bank.
AUX mode.
And so we have to make sure that it's in the Bluetooth mode. So we push
Bluetooth
here,
mode.
it confirms Bluetooth mode. And so we search in available devices for the A10. So we click on that and pair the device. So we got already confirmation. And so we have same thing here. You can see just without the 3.5mm, but of course we need also the USB power. And now the audio comes from here. Can see that here, but of course we can also adjust the volume directly from the phone. Absolutely no problem. Definitely a huge upgrade regarding the sound compared to just from the phone. And something really important and very convenient, very good implementation regarding the reset. So if you want to use it on different Bluetooth devices, you can just reset it here with a long press for 3 seconds, and then it will reset the Bluetooth connection. You can connect it with some other Bluetooth device. That's super easy and very helpful. Also, another two things which I really like. The first thing is when we turn it off and turn it on again, it will go into the same mode. And the second thing is it looks like the 3.5mm cable is pretty good. With a lot of speakers I had huge problems with some interferences from this laptop, and with this speaker and this cable it was absolutely no problem. Also something really important. So everything has been working really good. I would say it works straight out of the box, really convenient. Of course we do not have a rechargeable battery here inside, so you always have to use some USB power. That's maybe something to be aware of. and it's also a pretty beautiful device, has everything what we need. Maybe just one thing, I definitely wished that they had made this speaker inside larger, or made two speakers, like a smaller speaker for the high pitch and a larger speaker for the deep bass sound, because there's really not so much deep bass to hear, unfortunately. I think there would have been enough space here inside to place a large bass speaker inside, but of course you also have to be aware of the very low price, and so you have to decide on your own if it's worth to buy. And I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description anyway, so you can check it out and do whatever you want. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.